So let's take a look at the lens itself. It has a metal lens cap, and at the front of the lens is a clicked aperture ring. And then there is the focus ring itself, which feels very smooth. So now let's take a look at some photo I shot. At f1.4 it's pretty sharp, and then when you stop down to f2, f2.8, f4 and f5.6, you get sharper and sharper. So I'm pretty happy with the sharpness of the lens. The minimum focusing distance of the lens is 20 centimeters. That means you can get pretty close to your subject. At f1.4, the lens suffers from purple fringing and flaring. This will go away if you stop down to f2.8 or f4. Taking into account I only pay $80 for the lens, I'm not complaining. So now let's take a look at some photos and video I shot with this lens. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you next time.